So I've got my passport, all my chargers and all the wires, makeup bag, my laptop. I'm gonna put my fan in here and and my glasses, sunglasses as well. It's great. This bag is quite heavy. Should I take my laptop? I need to think. I just landed in Abu Dhabi. It was an hour and 45 minutes flight. Abu Dhabi airport is beautiful. I'm catching a flight to Rome in an hour. And I thought I would update you on what's happening. For some reason I don't have a boarding pass from Rome to Palermo. So 6.5 hours I think flight to Rome, and then so really I would be in Palermo this evening around 10 o'clock, 10:30. That should be interesting. Start boarding and I'll see you guys later. I will speak to you later this evening, hopefully.
Right? Take it on the wrong side. Yeah, you do that. It's over here. Yeah. What time?
I am in Rome airport, just about to take off for Palermo. I am in a really small aircraft, a local Air Italia. And it's really, really hot. It's really humid. It's not pleasant at all. I'm so sticky and just can't wait to get to my hotel and unwind. I'm just so exhausted. It is currently 9:20 p.m. and I've been up since 6 a.m. So I've been on the road since 7 a.m. That is the craziest trip I have ever done. Actually, the flight from Abu Dhabi to Rome wasn't that bad. It was about 6 hours. We had lovely food, we had, really good entertainment, but it did feel like it was longer. My bag is an absolute mess. Anyway, so I have an hour flight to Palermo and then I am going to check in.
La maschera funziona anche senza sacchetto, non c'è.
I made it to the hotel, guys. It's now nearly midnight. Unbelievable journey. I am so out of it. I'm so knackered. I'm gonna take a bath probably and just try to chill, unwind. I'm gonna take the bath. That's it. Bye bye. Hi YouTube. It is day 1 in Palermo. It's currently 11 a.m. I went down for breakfast after 4 airports, 3 flights, 2 connections. I finally made it to Palermo. Today it's going to be a chill day for me because I'm waiting for my mom to arrive this evening. So this will give me an opportunity to do some work. Actually, I have a really beautiful lobby downstairs, so I think I'm going to go down and work from there for a few hours. Generally today it's going to be a working day for me. We're staying here for 3 nights, I think, and then we're moving to, I think I got Airbnb by Mandela Beach, and then we'll just stay there for the rest of the holiday. The 14th I'm traveling back, and I think I'm having the same itinerary, so I'll have to fly to Rome, from Rome to Abu Dhabi, and then from Abu Dhabi back to Kuwait. So I have a really long layover in Rome, I think maybe 9 hours or something ridiculous like that. So I'm thinking I would get out of the airport, go explore Rome a little bit. I've been to Rome before, I know it quite well. I don't know, or I'm just gonna do some shopping in Rome airport. So I'm just gonna retouch my makeup. 3 flights is no joke. In terms of distance, Kuwait to Italy is about 6 hours. The fact that it's taken me more than 14 hours to get here is very impressive. I'm gonna do my SPF as usual, but I want to do as much work as possible today so I can free up some time for my mom tomorrow. I can go explore the city. It's really humid in here, understandably so. I really wanted to do my nails before I travel and color my hair and maybe do a cut. I was just so busy the last couple of days, I literally had no time to go do any of those things. Still have my red nails on, pink nails on, and I wanted to do green or blue summery, like these colors actually. So I had this before, butter yellow, and I wanted to do either this or this, just for summer. Okay guys, let's have a look at this hotel. I am sorry about the mess. So as you enter, look at this old carpet, and so you have this nice bathroom. It's got all the essentials. Sorry for the mess. Bathroom amenities. What I found really funny here is this really high hanger, and it doesn't go out. So yeah, it's too high for me. And this is the bedroom. I've got a twin room for me and my mom. As you can see, like really old style furniture, which I actually quite like. And this dresser. My stuff is there. Really high ceilings. Look at this. Okay. Super cute. And what's really important is the AC. I'm sure you can hear it. This is how messy my bag is. Did not use this. This fan happened to be very useful on the plane last night from Rome to Palermo because there was no AC fans. I'm gonna take my bag even though I'm gonna be in a hotel. So I've got so much stuff to carry. My charger. And what do I need? I'm gonna take these. My phones. Headphones in case I am going to speak to my friends. It's now 8:30 p.m. in Palermo, day one, and I'm just waiting for my mom to come from the airport. But what I realized when I was editing videos today is I deleted by mistake my packing video, so I'm just gonna show you what I packed for Palermo. I gave all my clothes for ironing today and this morning or this afternoon, and they came back after 3 hours, so that was great. I've got this dress. This is red linen dress. So tomorrow my mom and I are going out for dinner, so I think I'm gonna wear these with just simple flip-flops. And I've got this dress, which is a really nice summer dress. This is from Uniqlo. I like the fabric of this. This is so light, just perfect for Palermo. And I've got another linen dress. This is a light linen white dress. This is black silky knee-length skirt with lace detail at the bottom. I'm gonna wear it with this white simple shirt. Nice for the evening if my mom and I go out somewhere. And then I have another red linen. Oh, this lighting is better. This is a linen skirt, and I'm gonna wear it with this shirt. There we go. This is linen as well. There is a theme. I just can't imagine wearing anything else in this weather. I have two blue shirts. One is from Uniqlo and the other one is from Reese. They're different shades of blue. And the last but not least, I have this overthrow if you want to cover yourself a little bit, or you don't want to burn your shoulders. It looks like an abaya. I normally wear it with the pink dress that I showed you earlier, and I really like the color. It goes from orange to pink here, which is fabulous. This saves me a lot of wardrobe malfunction, to be honest. I also brought with me this skirt, leopard skirt. I'll wear it together with just a very simple black tank top. I forgot I have another dress. This is a green printed dress, very flowy, very light. I bought this in Mallorca a few years ago, and it's just fabulous. I really love the print. It's so pretty, and it's super light and airy, which is amazing. I didn't bring a lot of bags with me because I want to shop a little bit and get something from here, so I brought this with me for the beach or just to carry it around in general. I've got my travel bag. Oh, and shorts. I've got linen shorts as well. These are from where? From Gap. Oh. All right. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to go down, meet my mom. I think she's on the way now. We'll check her in and we'll probably go out for dinner. I think that's it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.